Continue straight on Larkin Street. At the stop sign, turn left on Sherwin Street. Proceed slowly over the railroad tracks. Bottoming out is a real possibility. Follow Sherwin Street as it merges onto the I-10 feeder road. Move into the middle lane. After proceeding through the intersection at Washington Avenue, continue on the feeder road. Activate your left turn signal and prepare to enter the freeway. Congratulations! You have entered I-10 Katy Freeway from down the street. Destinations outside the loop await you.